Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really good. So this recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you today, I bake this bread at least once a week. So once you learn how to make this atta bread, I trust me, you will not buy any other store-bought bread. It's super simple to make. It's even healthy. We're not using regular atta, we're using Khapli wheat. Now, what is Khapli wheat and why I'm using it? Watch this complete video to know about it. But before that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let's go bake the healthiest atta bread. So you take a bowl and then you take lukewarm water into it. Make sure water is not too warm, it has to be lukewarm. Add instant yeast to it, and then we are going to use honey in this recipe. I'm not adding any sugar, I'm adding honey into this recipe. Now keep this aside till the yeast starts blooming. So till the yeast blooms, it might take around 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure that it blooms really well. And the water quantity that I usually use for the yeast blooming is, suppose in the description it's written 300 grams of water. What you need to do is take a little amount from that same description and use it. And then later the rest of the amount we will add it while kneading the dough. So once my yeast is bloom, I added flour. So here I've used Khapli flour. You can use regular atta also, but I have used Khapli flour. The reason that I use Khapli flour is because it has lesser gluten, it has more fiber, it is more healthier, and if you're looking for a diabetic friendly bread, then this flour is very good. So it's a must, so you can use this. So now you can see I added my atta to it, I added a little bit of salt to it, and I'm kneading it very well. So you have to make sure that you keep kneading it till it becomes a really soft dough. So you might have to keep adding a little bit more water depending on which flour you're using. So with Khapli wheat, it takes a little more time to knead the dough. So I have used my hands, but you can even use a mixer if you feel like. So you can see after kneading how soft my dough has become. But if you are using your regular atta, it will be easier. It won't take so much time. Khapli wheat, it takes a little more time. So you can see that my dough is ready. I've rolled it into a round shape. Now we are going to proof it for half an hour or till it becomes double in size. So here's one hack that I use for proofing is, suppose the weather is very cold or it's taking a lot of time to double in size, I put it on top of the oven, or else I preheat my oven for 10 minutes and then switch it off, and then put once it's switched off, I just add the dough into it. So this just helps the dough to rise faster. So now you can see that my dough is ready and it's very soft. So it has to be really soft for this. And if you feel that a crust has been formed, just keep sprinkling little water on your dough when it's proofing. That will help to avoid the crust. So now you can see I'm just kneading it a little more. I'm going to make it into a log shape, and then I'm going to add it into my bread tin. I usually add a parchment paper to the tin, so it becomes very easy to demold the bread. So you can say I made a log and now I'm going to add it into the bread tin. Then you can add some herbs also if you want in this dough. But what I'm doing is, on top I'm going to add some sesame seeds and all, so just that the bread looks really pretty. Now again for half an hour I am going to put it for proofing. So once it becomes double in size, the bread is ready, and now I'm going to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes your bread will be done. Now I generally bake it in advance and the next day I will slice it. So you can see how soft this bread has turned out. It tastes really good and it stays super soft in the fridge for even 2 weeks, but just make sure you cling wrap it. So I hope you like this recipe and I hope you'll try this recipe. So don't forget to let me know which new recipe you want me to try next for my YouTube channel.